So there's a lady that just went into our backyard and she's sitting and reading the newspaper like she's waiting for a train. She does not care.
Look, she's gonna go talk to her right now.
Excuse me. Hi, this is our house. You can't sit here. This is not a park. You have to leave. Okay, go. Okay. Bye. You have to go. No, this is our house. No.
She's
You
talking
have to go
Chinese.
outside. No, go. It's not a bus stop. You have to leave. Seriously? She's not leaving. She wouldn't leave.
Yeah, you better leave.
Yeah. No, she was speaking.
Bye, miss.
I thought she was Dina's friend waiting for her.